Are you a student struggling with your travel and tourism assignments? Tourism courses can be overwhelming with assignments from various branches. But worry not. Introducing TechieShubhdeep IT Solutions, your dependable partner in academic excellence. Our verified professionals are here to provide you with top-notch assistance. We cover all principal branches of tourism, ensuring academic brilliance in every aspect. Our experts deliver quality without compromise, producing original and academically sound assignments. Your confidentiality is our priority. Your personal information is safeguarded with us. And the best part, it's budget-friendly. We understand students' financial constraints. Plus, we deliver on time, sparing you from mark deduction penalties. Visit our website at www.techiesgroup.co.in, call us at +918 305 233 or email us at info@techiesgroup.co.in. Let us help you succeed in your academic journey.